Here's one we don't get in every day. 1966 Chevrolet Corvair. This one's a 500 Sport Coupe. As you can see, is the two-door hardtop there. Now, this particular car, believed to be original miles, very original car. It was an ermine white car, CC paint code, interior 739, so it'd be a red vinyl interior. It appears the interior could easily be original on this one. Actually came from Oregon to the state of Iowa, then to us. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the engine bay, I guess underneath the hood, if you will, or the trunk area, interior, undersides this, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Chrome, bright work, also believed to be original on this car. Has had one repaint along the way, but again, original ermine white car. One thing I do want to point out, typically right up here, there would be your keyhole. Whoops, there we go. Sorry about that. Would be your keyhole for opening up the hood / trunk compartment. As you can see, the lock has been punched out. Takes a long screwdriver, slips back in there, turn it, it'll pop it right open. So you just need a little longer screwdriver, and you can see the still pictures with it open. So it's not that difficult to open. Latch slides back, and you can close it right up. You can see this car is nice and straight too, and you don't see a bunch of bubbling or previous work coming through on it. Like I said, car came from Oregon before being in Iowa, so you take a look at the undersides. Judge for yourself. Look around the wheel wells and the pictures. And on this one, appears to be a solid car. Now, interior does show its age some, but believed to be original vinyl in this car yet. And it all matches up as far as with the color, material. Does have an aftermarket radio added, as you can see there. Otherwise, interior looking very stock. Getting around to the rear of this, now of course these are powered by a 2.7 liter flat 6, and that is paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission. Of course, air cooled. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. The 110 back here on this badging, so you can see there, 110 horsepower coming out of that 2.7 liter flat 6. And you can see that in the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on that link down below the video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Engine, everything believed to be original, as well as the miles. I cannot confirm or deny the miles being original due to the fact that once a vehicle is so old, it does not stay on the title. So there's no sort of record from that, just from previous owner passing on information from the gentleman that he bought it from out in Oregon. Odometer shows about 57,000, I believe it is. All right, let's take a look at the interior, look this over a little closer. Start it up, I'll let you hear it run. Open the engine bay so you can check that out. Take a look at the door panels. I've had the wipers working this. I have not had the radio working. It powers up, but it looks like it is in some sort of programming mode. It's just a little older, realistic radio. Would not be very difficult to replace. And headliner, looking good. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. See how easily it starts. 57,377. Fuel gauge, tech said, don't count on it being 100% accurate. Might be one of those you want to drive by miles and how much gas you have. Sometimes that's easier and safer, especially on some of these old cars with accuracy of their gas gauge, fuel gauge. Alright, look at the dash. Again, interior, very, very original interior. Now, a little bit of service work was done on this recently too. I want to go through that with you. Wheel cylinders were replaced. Brake shoes in the rear were redone and replaced. The fronts were good, and also a master cylinder was replaced. So I'm going to pause this a second, pop this rear engine compartment. Let's take a look at that engine, see how it's running.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here's that 2.7 dual carb setup. Both Rochesters, by the way. Smooth that runs. Great sounding. Nice and smooth, quiet. Of course, the data tag and the VIN plate will both be back here. Here's the VIN plate. Data tag's going to be right back right there. And there are pictures of both of those on our website with all the pictures. Cool sounding cars. Looking for a fun summer toy, not going to break the bank. Get into the collector car hobby. Here's a cool one. 1966 Chevrolet Corvair 500 Sport Coupe. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.